Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. So you can see this red line, the line in the sand here. This is the next target level support area we talked about in the last videos. That would be the next support because it's the previous swing low here, the wave 4 low that was made in September 22, 1 year ago. We're basically at the price that we've been at 1 year ago. Great. This is the wave 4, and sometimes a wave 2, which this one like this, which is coming down here, they finish at a wave 4. Now, do I really believe it? No, I actually would like to see price get to our ideal target at $80. That's for me the next sort of decision point. We've been talking about that for many months. I don't even know when we started to talk about $80, but it's been a while, and we're finally getting there. It's been a long journey. Now, I'm not telling you it will turn around here, okay? What I will do is I won't even buy there. I will watch for reactions, and I will not buy without a bottoming signal because there is still a $60 level which could be reached as well. So if it just doesn't respect $80, it will go down straight to 60 because there is not much there in terms of historical support resistance. So I think we go down quite quickly should the $80 level break as well. Yeah, and they are relevant levels because the 78.6 fib level is the 61, so on the linear chart is the 61.8 fib level on the log chart, and down here basically around about $60 we've got the 88.7 fib level on the linear chart, and it's the 78.6 fib level on the log chart. So they're both relevant, quite a bit of a cluster of relevant fib support levels. Yeah, but in the short term the price is coming down here in our previously defined price channel. It looks like a diagonal structure which is unfolding here, which could be an ending diagonal, which is typically the last, the last wave in a cycle. So it's going to be quite interesting. For example, I suggested to you in the previous video, if we have a C wave here, then we might have a small 1-2 setup up there, a 3, 4, and this might be a wave 5, an extension, but as an ending diagonal. That might, it might react to 87. I think we should see some kind of a reaction there to that $87 level. Yeah, this previous wave 4 low. It is quite obvious on the chart, so I would argue there is a likelihood that we see some kind of a reaction, but I would prefer the price to get to the next fib level because, we dropped below the previous one. And then typically these charts don't turn around in the middle of nowhere. They do typically react to the relevant fib levels. So that level is at $80 and it typically acts as a magnet for the price. So I'm watching for the price to get there. First of all, I'm observing this price channel. It's following it, perfectly. At some point it will break. So it will be a decision here. And if it breaks above it, we will still have resistance at $101.50. This is the B wave high. I explained to you in previous videos, I will not assume that some kind of a low has been made without a break above $101.50. Yeah, it's quite a distance away now. It's quite far away, but see, we need some kind of a signal. And it even seems to increase the downtrend momentum again. So yeah, I'm just careful here with QNT. It can go lower. And since it started to consolidate or even, to sustain below previous structural support, and there is previous structural support here between basically $95 and 102. So it broke below that. And it's been consolidating and sustaining below that level. Well, since then it started to increase, in my opinion, the downside momentum again. Just watch this. It's been moving sideways or it did move sideways here in this period between May and basically, September. And since then, since it really dropped below it, it's really it just knows one direction, right? Which is basically down. So again, no bottoming signal, but the levels to watch are $87 and $80 next. I hope you liked the update about QNT. If you did, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.